Slide the shaft sleeve and rotating portion of the seal off the shaft as a unit. Use a pair of stiff wires with hooked ends to remove the stationary element and seat. An alternate method of removing the stationary seal components is to remove the hardware and separate the seal plate and gasket from the bearing housing. Position the seal plate on a flat surface with the impeller side down. Use a wooden dowel or other suitable tool to press on the backside of the stationary seat until the seat, O-rings, and stationary element can be removed.
For more information on pump hydraulics, equipment, or application engineering, watch Gorman-Rupp's YouTube channel and visit us at grpumps.com.